Ever feel like your business is leaking money faster than me crying into my coffee when my favorite SEO tool crashes? Well, stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to plug those leaks and start seeing real profit in just 7 days. No expensive consultants, no guessing, and yes, no crying involved. Hey there, I'm Kamal from TestedApps.com, 6 years in affiliate marketing, SEO ninja by day, caffeine enthusiast by night. Today we're diving into the Profit Hunter, a tool that literally shows you where your sales are slipping and gives you a step-by-step plan to recover them. If you hate leaving money on the table, this review is going to be your new best friend. Stick around to the end because I've also put together some exclusive bonuses for you, including my personal checklist and tracking templates. Grab those through the link in the description, free because I like seeing you win. So, what is the Profit Hunter? At its core, it's an AI-powered business diagnostic. Think of it like a business MRI that finds your hidden profit leaks. It's perfect for solopreneurs, affiliate marketers, and small business owners who are tired of wondering where their money went at the end of the month. Whether you're just starting out or already pulling solid traffic, this tool finds the cracks you didn't even know existed. And here's the kicker. It's stupid simple to use. Step 1. Watch a 5-minute setup video. Yes, 5 minutes, less time than hosting NASA on a Zoom call. Step 2. Fill out a quick prep sheet with your product details. Step 3. Launch the AI in ChatGPT, and in about 20 minutes, it hands you a 7-day action plan to plug your leaks. Seriously, it's like having a $600 consultant, but without the awkward small talk or the $600 bill. Here's what you get. Pinpoint the exact leaks, silently draining your revenue. Quick wins, better email sequences, clearer calls to action, and re-engaged audiences. Confidence. No more guessing if your funnels work or just crying silently into coffee at 2 a.m. All backed with a 7-day money-back guarantee. In other words, instead of revenue that's up 1 month and down the next, you get predictable, reliable sales without the drama. And get this. The front-end price is just $27. Compare that to hiring a consultant or buying generic templates, which would run you $600 or more, and you're basically robbing yourself if you don't at least check this out. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hey, it's Jen Purdue, and I just quickly wanted to walk you through how quick you can use the Profit Hunter. So once you've grabbed the package, you are going to be sent over right to our members area. And here is the product, the Profit Hunter here. And this is just a quick 5-minute video, kind of walking you through best practices, things I've found as I've tested this tool that I think makes it work a little bit better, faster, and easier for you. So right below the video, we're going to see the link to the GPT tool itself. But before you do that, if you want to come over here to the Profit Hunt prep sheet, I think personally, if you spend about 10 minutes going through this, it's going to make your whole process easier. So you're just going to click the download button. It's going to open up in a new screen. And here we go. And so one of the things that you can do is actually click the download button as opposed to keeping it open and save this, save as. So every project that you work on, you will have already gathered the information. You can go back to it. You can rerun the Profit Hunter if you need to at a later time for, another problem you may have on that product. But you're going to see this is just a quick little assessment. And I find it's easier to just spend the time putting your information here than opening up ChatGPT and then not knowing what the next question is going to be. So then you have to go off and find the information. So there's about 15 total questions in the assessment. We're going to address the majority of them here. And these are all fillable. So you can just click right in the highlighted area below the question and answer it. Paste your information in here. So for example, this is the offer. What offer are we going to look at? What product? Could be a lead magnet. Doesn't have to be a product. Why are we starting with this offer? What's the problem? Is it your main offer? Is it something that just isn't converting and you want to work on? So you want to just make sure you answer these questions. Your content here, these are going to expand out. You can paste super long blog posts, emails, whatever you want here. So, but make sure you fill these out. And you definitely want to have at least 3 pieces of content if you can. 5 is even better. And so, yeah, you just go through here. Once you have answered these questions, then you're going to come back over here into the members area and click on the Profit Hunter GPT link. This is going to open up into ChatGPT, and you're going to see the welcome screen here. Sorry, I'm on my Zoom. It takes a second for everything to load. And so we're going to be here on the welcome screen. Now, I've already completed one of these, so you wouldn't have to sit through the whole process of me copying and pasting. And when we click on the Help Me Detect, you're going to see the intro, and this is where it's going to start asking you questions. Well, these are the questions that you have already answered in your Profit Hunt prep sheet. So I'm going to come over here because I've already filled out the information, and you can see I've gone through, answered the questions, all that good stuff that it has asked me for. And I just want to come down here after I've answered these. Let's come. Let's see. So the very first thing that the Profit Hunter is going to return to you is an in-depth customer avatar based on the information you've given it. That way you can copy this. You can use it multiple times over and over in your marketing. We wanted to make sure we gave you not just the fixes, but a very detailed look at your customer avatar so that you've got some of their core problems and their biggest fears, what they've tried before. So we're going to return that to you so you can copy and paste it. Save it someplace on your computer. So now that we've got into the profile, and so it named my profile Alex, now it's going to score my offers. And you can see it's returned my full diagnostic here. And so it's telling me, I have a high leak in my email sequences, but I have a critical leak in my calls to action. I have a medium leak in my list building, and I have a high leak in my engagement bridge. So the tool is designed to work with your critical leaks first. So in my example here, it's going to focus on my calls to action because that was critical based on the scoring system. And you can see it's come down here. It said, you have great storytelling. This is good news. Your emails are engaging and authentic. Fixing calls to action doesn't require more content, just tightening the ask. And so, it says, you want me to build your 7-day recovery plan? I say yes. And here we go. Gives me day 1. And it's lined, it delivers the 7-day plan for you with the most critical fixes first. The things that are going to give you the biggest wins the fastest. So you can see that it's come through and it said, take one of your existing emails and rewrite just the call to action using the direct ask formula. Tells me why it's going to work, tells me what the success is going to look like. I think that the time allotted may be a little bit too much, but how am I going to know that it worked? So that's what it's going to do. So you can do all of these at one time. You can do them day by day if that works better for you. So you can see that it's gone through and given me something every single day to do so that we can test my calls to action, see if we can get better conversions. And then over in the members area, again, you have got your results sheet. So that way you can just open this up and you can start tracking. What changes did you make? And what were the results of that so that you can track them? And let's come down here. And so it asks us, what's the primary thing we're fixing? What day did we start? What day did we complete? Which customer avatar did we use? Before we started, what were our metrics? After we fixed it, what were our metrics? So back and hone in on what you're working on to make sure that it is making the right and necessary profit leak changes for you so that you're retaining those sales, retaining those leads, and fixing those profit leaks you have in your business. So I hope this helps you see how simple and easy. It's 4 simple steps that you're going to do to use the Profit Hunter. Again, you're going to watch the 5-minute video. You're going to open the prep sheet. You're going to run the GPT. And then you are going to fill out your tracking form so that you can keep track of what you're working on and
Now, if you want to supercharge things, there are some optional upgrades. Winning Sales Copy AI Agent, $47. Instantly generates high-converting sales copy. GPT Pro, $47 year. Keeps all your chat GPT prompts and conversations neatly organized. Your first sale with AI, $97. A 30-day daily task plan to create your first product and traffic setup. The AI Freedom System, $297. Automates funnels, emails, and offers. MyNAM's Insiders Club Mastermind, $19.99 month or Platinum Buyout, $497. Ongoing training, tools, and support to scale fast. I've personally tested the Profit Hunter with one of my affiliate sites, and in less than 24 hours, I spotted holes that were costing me hundreds in lost sales. After applying the 7-day action plan, I already saw more clicks, more engagement, and yes, more revenue. Honestly, it feels like having a business coach in your pocket that actually works. Quick heads up, this isn't a magic income generator or another fluffy course full of vague tips. If you're expecting a click a button and get rich tool, move along. But if you want actionable, results-driven guidance, this is exactly what you need. Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your laptop, and actually seeing predictable sales instead of scratching your head and wondering where it all went. Imagine knowing exactly what's broken, fixing it fast, and finally having a business that works while you sleep, travel, or even binge watch your favorite series, guilt-free. That's the future. The Profit Hunter is built to create, and with the special launch price of just $27, the only thing you're risking is continuing to leak money. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest affiliate reviews, and comment below your biggest business leak. I'll give my 2 cents. And hey, go grab the Profit Hunter through the link in the description before the leaks drain any more of your hard-earned money. Until next time, keep hustling smart, not just hard.